Hey everybody, I'm here to talk about a portion of 4.MBT.2, which is comparing large numbers. Go ahead and grab your math notebook. Feel free to watch this video through once all the way, which I recommend, and then going back and watching it again and stop so that you can copy the notes into your math notebook. Okay, so again, we're doing 4.MBT2, comparing large numbers. And the first thing we're talking about is that we are comparing, when we are comparing numbers, we are looking at the digits in each of the place value spots. We do this by using some math symbols that look like these down here. We also call these first two, the alligator mouth. And remember that the alligator wants to eat the largest number. So whenever you're comparing two numbers, the open part here on the end goes towards the biggest number. Okay, so the alligator can face either way just as long as its open mouth is ready to eat the largest number. Then if you find that both the numbers are the same value, you would use the equal sign. Okay. For example, if I was comparing 3 to 8, the alligator would want to eat the 8, and so his mouth is open towards the 8. Okay. The strategy that I recommend for doing this is to stack these numbers up. Once you stack the numbers up on top of each other, you start out here with your finger and you kind of check each one of the place values until you bump into a difference, and then you circle it and you notice that obviously 4 is larger than 2, and then I like to make a little star next to the bigger one that helps me remember which one's the bigger one. A lot of times when they're given these on a math sheet, they give it to you like this, and there's like a circle in the middle or a box, and you have to fill in one of these math symbols. And so what you do is if you make a little star next to the biggest one after you've compared them up here, then a strategy also is for making dots next to the number. So basically, one of the strategies is if it's the larger number, you put 2 dots next to the larger number and 1 dot next to the smaller. Then you can connect them like this, and now you have your alligator mouth. Some children just have a hard time understanding how to do that. So the 2 dots go next to the bigger number, 1 dot goes next to the little number, and then you have your alligator mouth, which is open the correct way because the alligator wants to eat the larger number. Okay, I hope that helps remind you of comparing numbers. Feel free to pause and get your notebook caught up. Thank you so much.